Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to turn off keyboard pop-ups on your Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the gear icon to open up the settings on your device. This is where you'll find all the customization options for your phone, including keyboard settings that control how your typing experience works. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you see the option labeled System. Go ahead and tap on it. This section houses all your device's core settings, including input methods and keyboard configurations that affect how you interact with your phone daily. From here, tap on Keyboard. This will take you to the main keyboard settings area where you can manage everything related to your typing experience, from language preferences to visual feedback options. Now tap on Keyboard Apps. This option lets you access the specific settings for whichever keyboard you're currently using on your Pixel. Since most Pixel phones come with Gboard as the default keyboard, that's what we'll be working with next. Go ahead and tap on Gboard. This is Google's official keyboard app, and it comes packed with features and customization options. Tapping this will open up all the detailed settings specific to Gboard, giving you full control over how your keyboard looks and behaves. Next, tap on Preferences. This section contains all the fine-tuned settings that control the visual and functional aspects of your keyboard. It's where you'll find options for things like haptic feedback, sound, and the pop-up animations that appear when you press keys. Now scroll down until you find the option labeled Key Pop-up. This is the feature that shows a little animated pop-up above each key when you tap it while typing. While some people find this helpful for confirming which key they've pressed, others find it distracting or unnecessary, especially if they're already comfortable with their typing accuracy. Finally, tap the toggle button beside Key Pop-up to turn it off. Once you do this, you'll no longer see those pop-ups appearing above keys when you type. Your keyboard will feel cleaner and more streamlined, and you'll have a less cluttered typing experience overall. And that's it. You've successfully turned off keyboard pop-ups on your Google Pixel, giving you a more minimal typing interface. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.